So welcome again, guys. Here we have all the parts for the second section of the kit. As I've said, the kit is divided into 3 parts, and this section is mainly the fitting of the chassis and all of its main components. So we have here the fuel tank, spring leaves, some sprockets, chain, rear arm, front arm, which I already partially assembled, so it's easier for me to get things attached to the chassis. Just one thing here, I'm not very convinced about this part. It supposedly fits to the rod that it's connected to the steer case, and I believe it is not supposed to be like this, so I'll see later, after attaching some of the parts, if it is correct or not, and if I am going to have to twist it or not. Another thing, and very quickly, as you can see in the engine, I wasn't able to use the orange, this orange tubing, the original one, because as I've said in the beginning, it was so, how do I say it? It isn't flexible anymore. It's completely rigid, and it completely disintegrates every time I try to twist it or whatever, so it isn't usable. I've used mine, which is exactly the same size. The only difference, is that it is black instead of orange, but it will do the job. Finally, I've used again the template for painting here the F-2. Here it is. It's not perfect, but it is pretty good, at least for me it is. So, enough talking, let's start assemble this here into the chassis parts. I didn't put them here because, as you can see, they don't fit in the camera. So, let's go.